Hello everybody, this is little Wayne.
Little Wayne.
It's only little. And Wayne has been helping us, well, not helping us, Wayne has completely fitted the door handle on his own. He's done a very good job.
In the rain at times.
Yeah, brilliant.
Because we've had rain,
Well
wind
done.
and
He's
sunshine.
got very lovely spiky hair.
Morning folks, replacing the van door handle.
Alright, we've got Wayne on the job. Seems to know what he's doing.
I'm inspecting okay.
Yeah.
How's it going, Wayne?
Not bad at all really.
Right.
We're just doing a replacement.
The handle.
Sorry, I thought we were on video then for a moment, that's why we were just doing a replacement handle job here, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
That's locked in by that. So we've moved that across, that's popped out and that holds in your main part of your handle mechanism. This little...
Which bit was broken?
So it's the piece in here that's broken. If you look here where my finger is, when I move my finger, that should be stuck up. Should be a piece on it like that there. It's very hard to see. And there's a little knob that sticks up.
Right.
So that's what's on there. So now I'm going to take the door pull mechanism out.
Is it just
You
like
can't see
some
very
brakes
much.
on a bike?
Yeah, so brakes on the bike, we've got the wire with a little ball on the end there. And what we're now going to do is take that and place it into our new door handle. So it's going to go into that little hole there. And a little bit of movement. That's hopefully going to go into there. It's not quite fiddly that. Right. And here we have the handle fitted. So this section of the handle goes in first. If you push this bit in on an angle, it just clips in from the inside. This bit goes in, and without this bit being in there, you've got movement of the handle backwards and forwards to put onto the lug that we broke earlier. And then, as we showed you before, put this section back in. Don't forget the rubber grommet here to stop the rain going in. Secure it from behind, and if we just whiz into the van, that is now the new piece of plastic in there, which is seated into that handle, and this has been locked across, taking the black bit next to the handle, so it's all now secure and working. Camper van's fixed.
Yay!
Solve the problem, it's the opener.
Yay!
Is this at the point when you were on the road?
Well done, Wayne. Thank you, everybody. You have to say goodbye and you have to wink.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you, everybody. You look like...
Yeah, I know.